Hello everyone, welcome to Micon Automation Systems Private Limited. Today we will see how to install Micon SCADA, how to make a project, how to add a device, how to add addresses for the communication and how to monitor the device. We will see it step by step. So whenever you will purchase Micon SCADA from us, you will get software in a CD or via link in the mail. Along with that, you will get one hardware log. It will look like this. So during whenever you want to use Micron SCADA or you want to operate the SCADA, you have to plug in there. You have to keep this hardware log plugged in your CPU. If you remove this hardware log, your SCADA will be stop the working. So I have this setup file. So for the installation, you have to run this file and you have to install this software in your PC. During the installation, it may ask you for a Microsoft .NET framework because it is a requirement of SCADA to run on a system. So if it asks in your PC, so you have to download it and you have to install it. After the installing, you will see the two applications I have already installed in my PC. These two applications will be on your desktop. Micron Designer is where you will design your project. You will create a project in that, and a scanner is that application in which you will monitor your application or you will record your data. So we will start with the Micron Designer. So it will ask you for username and password. A default username is admin, and password is also admin in small letters. Login. After the first login in Micron SCADA, you have to define your project directory. Like project home folder means where you are where you are saving your projects and your data, you have to define one time in designer. So right now I have kept it on my desktop. If you want to save it in your any another drive, you can set it by selecting that file or folder. Okay, as of now I will keep it desktop only. Okay, so to create a new project, click on new. I will rename it project as a testing. This is a screen size which you want to keep. Please note that the screen after creating a project you can't change the screen size. So make sure which screen size you want to keep in a project. You can see the project which I have made. It is on my desktop. As of now there is no any screen in project. So I will add a new screen here. If you want then you can rename it. If you don't want then leave it as it is. You can change the background color also. You can change the background color later also from here. So, as you know, Micron SCADA works on the Modbus protocol only. There is no selection for Modbus, but you have to define the type of communication, like it is on serial communication or it is on Ethernet communication. Serial node is means your USB ports 485 to USB or directly 232 communication. So it is a COM port communication. So you have to add your COM ports over here. If your communication is on Ethernet on Modbus TCP IP, you have to select new Ethernet node. You have to set your IP address here, and if the name suggests for any kind of network, you can name it as per your application. It is just for your identification. I will add a new node, name it as a controllers or PLC. It depends on you. My communication is Modbus RTU. My baud rate is 9600. COM port is 3. Okay, my serial settings are okay. So do okay. If you have more than one compound or more than one, then you can again add that device here. If you have Ethernet, you can also add it here. Okay, but as of now I have connected only one system, so I will delete this. But you can add if you want. After the defining the compound, you have to add your slave device. I will name it as PLC number 1. Here it whatever node you have entered here, it will list out it here. As I have already entered only one, so it is showing me only single option in it. My PLC address is 1. This address is your device ID, the communication device ID. If you have any other, then you can add it. PLC name 2. I have connected only one, so I will keep one only. I have decided the comport, I have added the slave. Now I have to add addresses which I want to communicate from PLC 1. Data 1. For a trial, I will take 4 register only. So first you have to add node, then add a slave, then add your tags. To display a numeric value, you have to select this display numeric data. I will select this. I will rename it to my data 1. Please note that the name which you will enter here, the same name will be in your report. Data 1. I will take 4 more. I have added 4 register numeric display here and I have configured it. So what you have to do now, you have to save. You can also do it by here. So I have designed my screen. I have added 4 numeric values and now I want to monitor that data. So to monitor that data, you have to use this application Micon Scanner. The design is only for the developer only. If you are giving your software to directly your end client who doesn't have any purpose of Micon designer, you can delete this designer from their screen. Give access of scanner only to them. When you will open scanner, it will again ask for the login credential. Same thing, it is admin. In first login in SCADA scanner, it will again ask you for the home folder selection. I have already set it here. If if it asks for you, you have to set that. I will open my project testing. You can see the screen which I have made in my designer. I can see that screen on scanner. So after opening the scanner and loading the program in your software, to monitor the data, you have to press this button and start recording. You can see all the value are 0. If I change the value in my slave device, I can see that data in my software. Right now my screen scanning rate is 5 seconds. That's why it has some delay. But you can also change that. So if I will change the value from here, you can see my data is updating quickly within a 1 second. So now another question is that I can see my slaves data in my scanner. Now I want to write JS value from my SCADA. So how to do that? Right now we have selected this as a numeric display. So it will only display the data of this particular value. If you want to write a value on that, you have to select input numeric data. So I will drag it for a one register. I will give the name as data one. I am taking it for a single register only because the process is same for all. Now I will change the value to triple nine, 4 times 9. Okay, so I can change the value of data 1 from my SCADA also. You can see here.
Thank you for watching us. Hope this was helpful and now you are able to use device yourself. If you have any query or any purchase inquiry, you can contact us on sales email ID. In case of any technical doubts, feel free to contact us on support@myconindia.com. Thank you very much.